I'm Lorna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I got a box from AliExpress. Can't wait to show you what I think it is. I just have my little girl standing here because I think she's cute in her little Thanksgiving and December stand. I'm not going to get a lot of Thanksgiving done this year. We have company coming from out of state, actually 2 companies coming from out of state. So that's okay. I am thrilled they're coming, so I'm showing off my Thanksgiving as I can. This doll that I think is in this box is going to get some work. It might not get a lot of face work, but it's going to get some body work. And no, I am not rebodying. I like to keep my dolls on their original bodies as much as possible, and it is what I thought, so I'm happy about that. This particular doll is a Middie Blythe, which is actually middle-sized Blythe. And I don't want to cut this bag because I do save these, but I'm not even sure how this is wrapped in here. Okay. You know me, I am full steam ahead, heavy-handed. I'll probably cut the bag. This little darling, I bought. I have 2. Oh boy, you're gonna need a little haircut too. Ooh, that's a mess. Oh, that is a mess. I bought 2 boy Blythe dolls, and I worked on the faces a little bit. Robert's, I'm happy with. Rex's, he's gonna need a little work. So I bought this little boy Middie Blythe. Now you're saying, but it's not a boy. Oh, but it's going to be. And I think I'm gonna take the, are her eyelashes? Nope, they're good. I'm going to take a little of the femininity out of her face. This is what the mini Blythe eyes do. There's a little knob in the back. Isn't that creepy? I love it. I love it. I love it. So then I'll get him, take a little bit of work on the face. Not sure what I'm going to do. I don't like that they do this lip liner in the corners. Don't know what I'm going to do about that yet. And looks like we're going to need a little bit of a haircut. Oh crap, I'm not good at that. But that's what I have in store. Okay, these little dolls, got something stuck to my finger. Oh good, now it's stuck to this finger. It's going to be like a comedy. They are so fully articulated. Their little feet are articulated, their little legs, I don't want to break it, but there we go, spin at the thigh. They can ride a horse. They can skate if you want them to. Their arms, same thing. They rotate. Their wrists rotate. Their elbows move. They move up and out and back. And their little heads, I wish the other Blythe dolls did this. Their little heads can tilt and turn. They're on a ball socket, and I really like that. So that's him, and he's going to need a name. I'm not sure yet. I'd like for it to start with R, but we'll see. And then I also got, oh wait, there's more. Oh wait, there's more. These dang staples, I don't like them. Let me set this where I will see it right after so I can get that put away properly. This doll also came, oh look at that, they changed from yellow to orange for the little dresses they send. I love these Blythe dolls, and I hate these bags. I can never find the ends of them. I really like Blythe in all sizes. I've been doing more and more with them. These Middies, I should have just torn it. Who am I fooling? These Middies do not come nude like some, well, actually they do. But they do give you this little, call it a dress. Little sundress. It's kind of cute. I mean, cute enough. I like sewing for them. And the Middies are a particular hard doll to sew for. Can you see how thin her waist is? That is the size of my thumbnail. Can you see my thumb on either side of that doll? Can you see it or no? Do I need a quarter or a nickel? That is how big those dolls are. I mean, they're tiny. Let me put my thumb like this so you can see. They have tiny bodies. Then their butt comes out like a natural butt does. So you can't just put straight clothes on them. You have to make them tailored. I'm having fun with it. I don't usually change my doll's hands. I don't think it's a good idea because this upper joint, the wrist joint, gets worn. The more in and out, in and out, in and out you do, the more worn down that becomes. And then you start losing hands, and then your doll suddenly doesn't have hands. But these little, it looks like this, there we go. These little middies do come with more hands, not like the full-size Blythe or Neo Blythe, but they do come with hands. Okay, and then I got another one, and of course it's a mini. I love the minis, and the Neos, and the middies. Love them, love them, love them. Look at this hair. I got another blue-haired doll, and I saw this one, and I thought, you know what, I need her too. Her face looks like it has some, is that? No, it's just the way the light was hitting it. Bangs are a little stiff, but once you go like that, it's over. They just do that to wet them down and get them to America. She comes with a little red dress. These dolls have 5 points of articulation. I don't like, their heads are very low down. They're still cute. Head turns, but it does not rotate. The eyes are sleepy eyes. When they're upright, the eyes are open. When they are laying back, they are sleepy eyes. Darren and I, notice I said Darren and I because he actually does the drilling and setup for me to make these eyes with 2 pull strings where they stay open or they stay closed. I love it. I just thought she'd make a pretty little mermaid too, or I just liked it. I just liked it. These little minis also have a wire, and they do show some motion for those of you that do take photos. I am not sure, does it have a blue look to it, or is it just that because it's rainy out today here? I don't know. And then when I move the hair, I don't see it, but when the hair's around it, it has like a blue cast. Anyway, she is who she is, and she comes with this little dress. I always mention, if you are a beginner sewer or if you just want to change this dress, use this for a pattern. You don't have to put these seams in it if you don't want to. Just make it a one piece. You can do it in holiday prints or other print. Add your little Velcro and you have a new dress for your mini. Thank you for, oh, one more thing. I almost forgot. Before these dolls came, I had Darren make them stands. You know, I love his 3D printed stands. I prefer them. I know that the, like Rainbow High dolls come with stands. I prefer Darren's because he makes them per the doll. Like he's taken my doll and done all the calibrations. And did you know there's a tool that's actually called a caliber that he uses? Anyway, we have the mini, and I love this, the blue for the boy. I don't want to, these are nice and tight and right, but this one doesn't have clothes on, so I want to be very careful. Need to scoot this down a little bit. There we go. I am loving it. Without shoes, it needs to go a little further down. There we go. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel, where I once again unbox Blythe dolls. Ooh, what a surprise. I love them. They're fun. There is so much you can do with them. It's so fun to sew for them, and they are so whimsical. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.